guys, what's up? So today we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial using only Nova Beauty. It is their 1 year anniversary. So they were so kind and sent over this box of goodies. And yeah, we are going to use everything inside as well as some products that we already have to create a birthday glam inspired look for Nova Beauty's first birthday. So if you'd like to see how I got this look on my face, then just stay tuned. So opening up the box, we have this cute little card that says Nova Beauty turns 1. And then on the back here, it says, happy first birthday, Nova Beauty. Come glam with us to celebrate this very special occasion. We are so grateful to share this special day with you. We couldn't have done it without you, babe. Kisses, Nova Beauty team. The first products that they were kind enough to send over are 2 pairs of their lashes. You guys, these lashes are so gorgeous. Of course, I have this pair on today. This is in the style 100, and then we have style 70. Next, they were kind enough to send over a bag full of their lip products. You guys, I absolutely love Nova Beauty's lip products. They're so buttery, so creamy, so pigmented, so moisturizing, vegan and cruelty free. I am in love with the snatched lip liners as well as the lipsticks. I wear them almost every single day. They also sent over their beauty sponge kit, which comes with 2 beauty sponges, a big one and a small one. I love using this one for the whole face, and then this one for like around my nose or under my eye. Perfect. And then they sent over some of their tweezers, and these are so sharp. So they're perfect to just grab and pluck or apply your lashes with them, which is what I used them for today. They were also kind enough to send over these cute sunnies. So my style, I love these, as well as these earrings that I have on. Super cute, and this necklace. Without further ado, let's jump into the birthday glam using only Nova Beauty. All right, so starting off this Nova Beauty makeup tutorial, we are using the Beauty Sponge Kit. It comes with 2 sponges, one big, one small, and when you wet them, they puff up twice their size, and they blend everything out like a dream. Now we're going in with the Smoky Throwing Shade eyeshadow palette. We're gonna take the shade first and just apply that into our crease and blend that upwards. Now we're going in with Sugar, which is a really pretty silvery white. I love to use this for highlighting, and I'm gonna do exactly that. Now going in with the Bronze Throwing Shade eyeshadow palette, we are going in with the shade Frontin', and this is like a deep chocolatey brown. And we are using all Nova Beauty brushes as well. Now we are going in with the TTYL Jealous eyeliner, and these go on like butter. This one is like a really pretty black with silvery flakes, and then we are gonna smoke that out using Mood from that eyeshadow palette. Going in with ASAP Jealous eyeliner. This is like the blackest black you will ever find, and it goes on so smooth. And then I'm just gonna literally smoke that out using all the same shades that we used before. After smoking out this lower lash line area, I added some gems to kind of glam it up a little bit more. And now we're going in with Nova Beauty lashes. These are in the style 100. I believe they have a name as well. It might be That Bitch. I'm not sure though, but these are absolutely gorgeous. Lining my lips using the Snatched lip liner in the shade Brown 01, and then we're gonna go in with the lipstick in the shade Real. You guys, the Snatched lip liners and the lipsticks from this brand are chef's kiss. Well, that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this birthday glam using only Nova Beauty products. I just want to say a big happy birthday to Nova Beauty again. Here is to many more, and I'm so glad that you let me celebrate with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.